Hello, welcome back to Cooking with Chris. What we're going to do is a series of lovely breakfasts for you. If you like it, what we'll do is continue doing them midweek so that it gives you a chance to buy the ingredients and cook these over the weekend. Do it either Saturday or Sunday. This week we're doing a beautiful Eggs Benedict. So stay with me and I'll show you how to do it. See you in a while. Here we have eggs, water, lemon juice, homemade butter, homemade bread, asparagus, white wine vinegar and streaky bacon. You can see on the Thermomix we got the recipe for Hollandaise sauce set up, and what we add in now is we put some water in, and then after that we'll add some lemon juice. And then after that we will then put in our butter, and then last of all, we'll put in our eggs. Then we add some salt and pepper, pop the lid on, and then just push the button. What we do now is we get some water, put it into the saucepan, and bring it up to the boil. And then when it's boiled, we bring it down to a gentle simmer. The reason we put white wine vinegar in rather than malt vinegar is because of the taste, and also we put the vinegar in because egg whites are mostly protein and the protein starts to set as soon as it meets the heat. Yolks cook slower to begin with and even more slowly when they're surrounded by their whites. We tip in the egg so that it goes in the direction that we've just spun it, and then we quickly get another egg, do exactly the same. Right. It's easier to load them in with a cup rather than just cracking them in because there's less chance of the eggs breaking. What we do now is put our homemade toast in. You can use muffins or you can use crumpets, we just prefer the toast. Now what I'm doing is taking the poached eggs out and we're putting them on some tissue paper just to drain them off. You can cut a little bit of it off if you want on the side of the pan. We'll let that drain. And then what we do is we will get our grilled bacon and tomato. We take out the bowl and we pour in the Hollandaise sauce. Take out the toast. Move it over to the plate. Put some butter on it. Don't be stingy. Homemade butter always tastes good. Then after that we put our poached eggs onto it. Be careful, they're hot. And then we will pour our Hollandaise sauce over the top, good portion on each egg. And then we've steamed the asparagus. We don't want too many calories by frying it. And now what we do is take out the bacon and also the tomato and we'll put those onto the dish. What you see me doing here is flaming it up to crisp it a little bit. And then we place that over the dish and that is now ready. Just put the tomato on and that is our dish complete. Doesn't that look great? Fancy that one myself. Okay, there we are, we've done it. Beautiful Eggs Benedict. Couple of little twists. You can use crumpets, you can use muffins. What we've done is we've made it with toast. It's homemade bread, so we cut really thick toast out of this with a disc cutter. We've also put some asparagus on it, a tomato grilled to keep the calories down, and some streaky bacon. And we've also used our own homemade butter. Now I've used half the amount that it shows on here because if you use the whole lot, it's an awful lot to keep stored. But what I do is I usually make half the amount, as I said, and I then store it in small bags and then put it in the freezer and it's ready to use. And then you don't have to make the sauce all the time. All you do is just cook the ingredients. Anyway, I hope you like it. If you do, we'll be doing more midweek videos on breakfast and we've got some fantastic ones coming up. And I hope you like it. Please subscribe if you did, and I'll see you next week. Thanks, Jack.